The i7-7700K is plagued with overheating issues. Intel's solution is to stop overclocking. Mine is going to be to delid. Today we're going to go ahead and delid the 7700K. My name is Dan, and you're watching TekMod. Alright guys, I went ahead and loaded some PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds here just to check out the temps. Sitting in the lobby, we're about high 60s to low 70s. I'm running at 1440p here at max settings. Getting right around 70 frames. I do have a 5 megahertz overclock on the CPU, but either way, these temperatures shouldn't be this high, especially underwater. So far, the highest I've seen is 72°C. We'll see what happens when we land right here. Alright, so we're still about mid-60s. Alright, let's go ahead and delid and see what happens. Alright guys, I missed a little bit of video in there, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. Starting with the Rocket Cool Delidding tool, I went ahead and popped off the lid and started cleaning it up. With this delidding tool, you want to line up the mark right here with the arrow on the processor. Then you want to set this all the way to the back. Go ahead and close it up. Put the screws in and tighten these down. Then you want to turn the screw until it bumps up to the lid. Then use the Allen wrench until you hear it pop off. I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning up this heat spreader and go from there. You want to get this heat spreader as clean as you possibly can. Any leftover residue is just going to create a gap between the die and the heat spreader. Next, I'm going to use some Scotch tape to mask off the die. Next, I'm going to go ahead and apply the Coolabatory Liquid Metal Ultra. And when you squeeze this out, be very, very careful because sometimes it will come out fast. You really don't need much at all, and since this is conductive, make sure you wipe off any excess. And go ahead and remove the tape. Now it's not completely necessary to reglue the heat spreader. I am just going to use a couple of small drops of super glue just to make sure it's secure. Drop it back into place. Secure it with the clamp. Make sure it's straight and clamp it down. Now just let it sit there until the glue is fully cured. Alright, processor's cured and reinstalled. Went ahead and loaded some Battlegrounds again to see where we're at. Make sure the settings are the same. And we'll go ahead and load it up. Before, when we were in the lobby, we were sitting at mid 60s to high 70s. So it looks like now we're sitting low 60s, mid 50s. Before, the highest temp we saw was 72, so we saved about 10C here. It's not a massive improvement. I've seen other guys get about 30C. I'm pretty happy with 10C considering we're overclocked at 5.0. Do a little more gameplay here just to double check it. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by.